A pythonic way to code self-writing test methods. I have the following test class defined. It uses exec, which generally I dislike. When I run it, via py.test, but that should not matter, I get this. So that the tests are automatically created and have sensible names, so if something fails, you know by the name of the method what has failed. Clearly this is a much simplified example of what I want to do. I have a lot of tests that will look like do X, check that Y is true and Z is false, which could be easily coded with the above method. I could write 3 dozen copy and pasted methods, but that just feels wrong, breaking dry. Is there a more pythonic way of writing this code?
You want parameterized tests. For example, with parameterized test case. Using py.test's parameterization framework.
If you use nose, you can use a test generator.
You almost certainly don't need to use exec. Just use setAttr to add a suitable function to the class, and use a nested scope to bind the test values. For example, I think this should work.
I would usually err on the side of more test than less test, really no matter how it gets done. You're probably fine.
You want to see what Jesus said.